From raw metal to the final gold finishing, every stage of the Phantom's creation is a testament to unparalleled luxury. Deep within the mountains, the journey of the 24-karat gold begins, heading to the high-security refining complex.
Security is paramount. Every shipment is meticulously weighed and scanned before entering the facility.
The process begins here, at the primary crushing stage. This raw gold-bearing ore is the foundation of every 24-karat Phantom we produce.
The dark mineral slurry enters the gravity sensor system. As the tables vibrate, the tiny metallic gold part.
It begins here, at the primary crusher, where raw gold-bearing rock is broken down before the refining process.
How the 24K Gold Rolls-Royce Phantom is made. World's most luxurious handmade car factory.
The core temperature is stabilizing. Yes, reading within tolerance now.
The approved 24K gold ingots are placed into reinforced, temperature-controlled transport cases, secured by our specialized team. How the 24K gold Rolls-Royce Phantom is made. World's most luxurious handmade car factory. Sansons. The 24-karat gold ingots are first placed into a specialized ultrasonic system, meticulously removing.
The thick gold block is aligned between the polished rollers, beginning the process of reduction into a flawless, shimmering sheet.
The 24-karat gold passes repeatedly through the multi-pass rolling mill, becoming progressively thinner and longer with absolute precision. The 5-axis CNC machine precisely sculpts the 24-karat gold panel, transforming the raw ingot into the iconic shape of the Phantom.
The CNC cutter precisely shapes the 24K gold panel into a curved body component for the Rolls-Royce Phantom.
How the 24K gold Rolls-Royce Phantom is made. World's most luxurious handmade car factory. The lightweight aluminum structure is prepared for the world's most luxurious exterior. Each 24-karat gold panel is aligned by hand with microscopic precision. Here in the world's most luxurious factory, we apply the 24-karat gold panels. Using laser alignment, we ensure every panel sits perfectly. Here in the finishing booth, technicians use specialized compounds to remove any microscopic imperfections from the 24-karat gold. How the 24K Gold Rolls-Royce Phantom is made. World's most luxurious handmade car factory. Using pneumatic tools and precise alignment gauges, the leather is pulled taut, ensuring a flawless finish. The installation of the premium wheels requires absolute precision, guided by both our skilled technicians and advanced robotics. The alignment process is critical. Using state-of-the-art laser sensors, we meticulously measure the suspension geometry to ensure flawless performance. How the 24K Gold Rolls-Royce Phantom is made. The world's most luxurious handmade car factory.
Initiating the braking sequence now. Deceleration is perfectly linear. Look at the stability.
All diagnostics clear. Tire pressure optimal.
Vehicle is prepared, madam. Proceed with caution.
With the final quality check complete, the 24-carat Gold Phantom is ready for its cinematic reveal.